Morning, guys. June 25th, 2022. This one here, Saturday morning. I gotta go fix a toilet. One of these daycare facilities. And the maintenance guy said it's loose. It's not bolted to the ground. So it's not something that they use all the time, but go by over there and probably gonna have to pull the toilet off and see why it's not bolted down, see if we can repair the flange. If not, we might have to replace the flange. Most likely it's cast iron, but it's a commercial building type of thing, so try to get you some shots when I locate where the issue is and see what's going on with it. Most likely it's a poured concrete floor, so hopefully I could patch what's there, put spanner flanges in and new bolts or something. We'll have to see. Alright. It's rotted. That's why it's flipping. Look at this. Somebody stepped on it or something. So we're going to have to get the water out of it. The other side looks like it's still bolted down. But she's loose as a goose there. Let's get the water out of it. Hey, look at that. Get the water out of it, pump the water out of it. And we'll get it out of here and see what we're going to do with the flange. I'll pump it out. I might pump here. Pump it out and disconnect it and maybe get it over here. It's a tight area. All pumped out, all the water out of it. Maybe we can disconnect it and get it out of here. Move it out of the way so we can find out. So we can fix it. Find out what's going on with it. Close as a goose, Mama. Hopefully I could just put new bolts in it. Thinking that's what I'm gonna end up doing, but time will tell. This bolt still seems okay. So maybe it's just one bolt and a wax, hopefully. And put a new set in. And put something that's easy to adjust. Hopefully. She's a leaker. She is a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. Alright, so I got a wax here. I'm going to get something a little different than that, I think. Adjustable ones. Alright, so I got the set fast ones, which are better. Let's get this thing cleaned up and see if we can change the bolts. Why would you wear gloves? I never figure it out. No. I'll never figure out why somebody would wear gloves. Just beyond me. Kinds of flipping parasites, and you don't know what the hell's going on in this shit. Why would you wear gloves? I could never figure it out. Never figure it out. Nope. Real men don't wear gloves. Nope. Yeah, looks like the flange is still good. See that rotted, so I don't know if the other piece is still in there or not, but sometimes it's hard to get the new ones in. We'll see. I kind of like these because you could adjust them. You don't have to cut them. You can adjust them. I like these. They're nice. For the height you need, you know. Hopefully I can get this sucker in there and it's not going to be an issue. Sometimes the concrete's in the way, I don't know. Looks like that might be the case here. Why would you wear gloves? I never figure it out. I never figure out why somebody would wear gloves. Nope, never. It's beyond me why somebody would wear gloves, so I can't figure it out. It's crazy. This is all got corking in there. I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm not even going to play with that shit. Put it right back. It's always good to put some kind of reference so you know where the bolts are. See? I put some kind of reference there so I can put the toilet. I know where the bolts are, the nuts. Because once you start manhandling this thing, there's not much you can do. You got one shot at it. Look at that shit. Right there. It's one shot sharp in here, mama. We could adjust this in if we need to. For the bolt. We'll get the other side and we'll tighten them both up and it'll be good. See, now you could adjust that before you put the nut on it, in or out, so this has to go in with the lip. Can you see the lip? The lip has to go up. See how it is? That has to go like that. This one here has to be adjusted out a little bit. Okay, that's why I like these. Adjust it out. I'm gonna put the washer on. You gotta make sure you put that on a certain way with the washer and then the nut. Use this different, it's a 1/4 inch Craftsman. I could put different size nuts on there if I need them. This one's a 9/16 now. The other one was a 1/2 inch. This one's 9/16. Tighten up both sides good. I mean, what's good about this is you can get a good feel for not cracking the bowl. Like I said, you can get a good feel for it. I mean, if you use a wrench, sometimes you could crack it if you put too much pressure. This doesn't give you crazy torque. So, put the water to it, make sure it don't leak. I'm not a big fan of hugging toilet bowls, to be honest with you, but what are you gonna do? Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Definitely wear gloves, unless you're a dum-dum. So you're a flippin' dum-dum. Oh yeah, I don't need gloves. I'm a Superman. Yeah, okay. End up with all kinds of flippin' parasites and shit. Dum-dum. Flippin' dum-dum. I don't need gloves. I'm a real man. Yeah, okay. This is like the 3rd pair of gloves I'm already going through, so don't be a dum-dum. Yeah, real men don't wear gloves. Okay. Hey, dum-dum. Just gonna make sure it don't leak before I give it to you. How you doing? Nice and tight here. Just want to make sure nothing leaks. Yeah, should be fine now. Put our caps on and be on our way. Alright, it's back together and she's bolted back down, not leaking. That's good. Good enough for this neighborhood.